What's up, guys? So I don't know if you guys have realized, but my last 10 videos have been boring and they've just been me driving around talking, and like honestly I don't want to watch that, so why did I post it? But as you can tell, I'm gonna be making brownies. I think I'm gonna make brownies. I don't know, do I make brownies or cake? So I had this video in mind and like I didn't post for a while because I was waiting to hit 10K so I can make like a 10K cake, you know? I also don't have any mix or anything, so we're gonna have to go to the local grocery store and get a little bit of that. I'm also not the best baker, so we're gonna be getting some Betty Crocker. Anyways, let's go get some mix. I don't know what I want to make. My neighbor just saw me literally trip over a freaking lantern. Look at these bad boys. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna film myself getting brownie mix and icing. But that store is so not welcoming, so I didn't film. Yeah, this angle's not really working. What's up, guys? First thing, fudge brownie mix, a must if you want to make brownies. Second, I got some creamy classic vanilla, and this was the same price as the brownie mix. First thing is, okay, just open up. Honestly, do I need to explain what I'm doing? I'm pretty sure everyone has made this. I made the smallest hole ever. Let me know why I'm so stupid. Heat, oven is directed below. Grease spot, oh, I didn't do that. Bake. 350. Start. 1, 2, 3. I thought this huge thing was empty, but we have like a little bit, so I'm just gonna use the rest of this. Oh my god, this is not a half a cup. Oh no, it's not. It's good to put in the arm work, even though I literally have a KitchenAid mixer over there, which literally does it in 5 seconds. Oh my god, the spoon is literally bent. I finally mixed it all. It took me like literally 10 minutes, which is so sad. Okay, where the heck is the brownie pan? Nobody even makes brownies in. There's no brownie pan. Oh wait. No. But oh my god, this pan is way too big. Oh my god, oh my god. In that pan, that's butter. It looks really weird, but it's butter, okay? And it's butter because I know more cooking spray and I don't know what else to do, so I just put butter in it. I don't even know if that's like what you're supposed to do or like if that even works, but it worked, so. There is the brownie thing! Oh my god! Honestly, I just wanna just give up. My camera died right as I was putting this thing in, but here it is, okay? It's going in and it's done. So my camera died, as you guys saw before, because I charged it for like 5 minutes before I started filming. But I'm gonna go through these questions you guys asked me because what else am I gonna do while waiting for these things to cook? Okay, so I actually got like a lot. I also can't say people's names, so I'm just gonna like put it right here. First question, what's your plans for the future? Plans for the future, I just applied to college. Hopefully I got accepted to at least one, but I really don't know because do you have any tips on how to raise your GPA? No, I don't. Do you know what you want to be when you grow up if you don't become a full-time YouTuber? Of course. I don't think I'll be a full-time YouTuber just because like, I feel like even if I did have a lot of subscribers and I got like big, I just feel like I would need a backup job because you never know when YouTube can like go out of style, I guess. Does that make sense? I have no idea what career I would want to do when I grow up. Like a full-time YouTuber would be nice, but I'm also going to college for like communications and it would be nice to like do something with that. How has your senior year been so far? It's good. I just finished applying to college and now I'm waiting to hear back, and I literally don't do anything this year. It's so nice. Okay, I just refreshed and now I'm gonna read the most recent ones. Possible giveaway at 10K subscribers. Maybe. I don't know, I did a giveaway for 1K, 1,000. So I guess I feel like I have to. I don't know though, like what would you guys want? I don't know. Favorite stores, Brand New Melville, Urban Outfitters, even though I like don't go there that much because I have no money. Vans. I don't know. Oh my god, I swear to god these are burning. I'm back with my brownie and a dying camera, so I have to do this outro fast, but this just tastes like a Betty Crocker brownie. It's really good. I'm gonna be eating these while I edit this video just because like they're actually good. Like, pat on the back. But anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a like and comment down below any other ideas you want me to do. Also, thanks to the people who asked me questions. Don't forget to subscribe because we are almost at 10K and I'm super excited. My camera keeps dying, so I'm just gonna say bye because I don't have time to do a whole outro. I love you guys. Bye.
Cool days, hot tops, with my blue face, ice pops. I'ma make a shoelace, necklace. Yeah, we whipping pop so Lexus, and I'm skipping school days. Mic drops, eyes on summer like Cyclops. Yeah, we falling off the sidewalk. Mama wants you home for nightfall.